Hi everyone. I would like to introduce you to this course. I'm Professor Nicole Valentino, and I have created a course on sustainability practices, mainly because I was inspired by so many young people over the years who are really pushing for change through politicians and others. And I just really wanted to be part of that here in Central Florida with students like yourselves. So I just want to share that in this class, I want to be really keen on how learning about the degradation of the environment can be very soul crushing. And I remember taking courses like that in college myself, and the professor just didn't really have a handle on how what we were learning about would affect people's emotions. And I remember just crying hysterically after learning about something I didn't know before and feeling so ashamed that I didn't know about it, and just crying and just miserable in this class. And that's not what this class is going to be about. Yes, we do have to talk about the environment, and it is kind of scary that some people will shy away from these subjects because they're painful. But that's dangerous if we are to try to solve the problems of the 21st century. How are we going to do that if we are not paying attention to them, right? As voters, as citizens of our state and of this world. So we do have to talk about it, and we do have to talk about why there's a lot of backlash to these environmentalists and why some people just don't believe in the need for some changes. And they have their valid points. They really do. We do have to look at all sides. Right now there's a squirrel right up there, and I'll see if I can show you the squirrel that likes to eat that from the bird feeder. So yeah, I'm outside right now, as you can tell. So we'll learn about the degradation of the environment. We have to, but we're also going to learn things that I never learned, which was what can we do to fix that? And am I responsible? And it's too big for me to deal with. And we're going to really learn about sustainability practices. I'm not too interested in the politics so much. We are going to talk about it, but we're really going to be focusing on our personal responsibility. And what's more is we're going to also learn about what our college is doing with sustainability, what the city is doing with sustainability in Orange County, and all of these other key players, whether it's small business owners or organizations for protecting the environment or advocating or lobbying politicians. We're going to be looking at government agencies who are protecting the environment, all the good things, because if we can see that there's hope and that things really are changing and that it is worth our time and effort, then maybe, just maybe, a few more of us in this world can join in the environmental movement. And that's my goal. I'm not here to convince you. I'm not here to preach. I'm not here to tell you what I think you should do. I am simply going to open those doors for you to learn and for you to make your own decisions on the discovered truths in this course. So I welcome you to the class, and I hope that you have a wonderful semester learning about this. Of course, you can talk to me anytime you need help or have a question. I look forward to working with you this semester. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.